Olifants is a very peaceful rest camp located in the middle of the Kruger National Park and is ideally located on a hilltop. The huts are arranged in long lines on terraces and are small and simple, but well maintained and are spick and span. The huts all have bathrooms en suite, but a few share the communal kitchens. There are 2 luxury guest houses which have sweeping vistas over the Olifants River and bushveld. These guest houses are ideal for family reunions or business retreats. Some of the other huts have an unobstructed perimeter view too. Conference facilities are also available. You can look down onto the Olifants River and see hippos, birds, and elephants. The presence of game at the rest camp differs greatly depending on which direction you travel. If you head south in the direction of Satara on the main road, namely the H1-4, the game is fairly concentrated and you can see a variety of animals. The Ngotso waterholes are particularly productive for viewing wildlife. If you head north in the direction of Letaba, game is more widespread and you may not be as lucky. There's excellent birding along the Olifants River, however, and the landscapes are very beautiful, as the landscape is quite mountainous compared to the savannah down south. I have seen a leopardess with cubs on the hills near the S91, and this is one of my most favorite childhood memories. It may be a good idea to head south in the morning and north in the afternoon on your self-drive safari. Olifants is an ideal rest camp to visit if you really want to get away from it all and enjoy some peace and quiet. The camp has a restaurant on a cliff, the Mug and Bean, which overlooks the Olifants River and bushveld, and has both indoor and outdoor seating. There is a curio shop with groceries and other items. The picnic spots for day visitors who may be coming in at Palabora Gate or from the Letaba or Satara rest camps are very nice. There are no campsites at the camp, but there's camping at Baluli. There are many stone stairs in the rest camp, so it is not ideal for families with very young children or the elderly. Olifants is the one camp I would recommend visiting in the summer months of November, December and January, because there's nothing quite like watching an afternoon thunderstorm roll in across the savannah. The summers are very hot and rainy, winters are cool to cold in the mornings and evenings and warm during the day, except if there's a cold front.
sabalewembe badenga biwongo ye badenga biwongo sabala biyango bebe sabalewembe ye badenga biwongo ye badenga biwongo badenga biwongo sabala biyango bebe sabalewembe badenga